Cash flow forecast, AI skills in 90 seconds. Dr. Paul here. What we're going to do in this video is run through a cash flow forecast using AI in 90 seconds. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So here's how I got my cash flow statement real quick from Claude. What I did is I used Claude Cowork, and the first thing that I told it is I wanted the cash flow statement, and I told it to ask me what you need, go step by step, and give me short responses. And so what it did, the first thing response is where do you want me to get the information from? QuickBooks, PayPal, Stripe. And I said, no, I don't want you to get it from any place like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you the numbers. And so, of course, I said, got it. So what's the first step or first question it asked me? What's your cash on hand? And I told it. And then the next thing that it asked me is the revenues, how many customers you work with per week and how much you charge each customer. Of course, I'm a business consultant, 3 customers per week at $1,500 per customer, complete made up numbers. But just, again, this is just for an example for y'all. And so it went ahead and did its computations. And the next question was about my expenses. What are your expenses? Your rent, your phone, your travel, your internet, your AI subscriptions. And so I gave it all that good information. And then again, it logged that information, and it just asked a final clarification question. Are there any other expenses you forgot? I said, nope, no other expenses. And then from there, it went ahead and generated all the goody information it needed. And the final step was for it to give me my cash flow statement right here. And it gave me in 4 tabs. It gave me the assumptions tab. And the cool thing about it is in this yellow right here, you can make changes to the numbers or the assumptions that it gave you, and it'll update your cash flow statement for you or your cash flow forecast. And then it gives you your summary. And in the details is where your cash flow forecast is, month 1, month 2, and month 3. All right, so yeah, in about 90 seconds, you're able to come up with a detailed cash flow. Hopefully this information was helpful. Let's go ahead and wrap it up. Hopefully you all found this information helpful. Again, Dr. Paul Borosky, business consultant, fractional CFO. And if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.